shortcut to using Pascal's triangle with binomial expansion. So here's our problem. We're giving you the quantity x minus 2y raised to the fifth power. We want to expand it using the binomial Pascal's triangle. So we notice that the power is 5. So we go over to Pascal's triangle. These are the numbers we will use. So in the first column, it's 1, 5, 10, 5. Oops, another 10 here. 5, and then 1. Now, we're done using Pascal's triangle. The next column is the first term in your binomial, x, and whatever the power is, the highest power here, and now you just decrease it. So x to the fifth, x to the fourth, x cubed, x squared, x to the first, and then x to the 0 power, all the way down to the 0. The third column consists of the second term in the binomial, negative 2y, and we start with the lowest degree, 0, and we increase it all the way down. So now it's negative 2y to the first, negative 2y squared, negative 2y cubed, negative 2y to the fourth, negative 2y to the fifth. The fourth column is actually taking each of these terms and figuring out what they mean. So we have the 1, I'm going to put a 1 down, x to the fifth, and then negative 2y raised to the 0 power, so anything raised to the 0 power is just 1. Now we multiply those numbers together. 1 times x to the fifth times 1 is x to the fifth. All right, we have a 5, x to the fourth, and now negative 2y to the first is negative 2y. I multiply those together. 5 times negative 2 is negative 10, x to the fourth, y. Next one, we have 10x cubed, so 10 times x cubed. And now this is negative 2y times negative 2y, so negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4, y times y is y squared. Now we go ahead and multiply those terms together. 10 times 4 is 40, x cubed, y squared. Then we have 10x squared. And now this is negative 2y times negative 2y times negative 2y is negative 8y cubed. Multiply those together. 10 times negative 8 is negative 80, x squared, y cubed. We have 5x, and then negative 2y to the fourth is negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2, which is negative 16, y to the fourth. We're going to go ahead and multiply those together. So 16 times 5, we get 30, carry the 3, and we get negative 80, x, y to the fourth. Last row, we have a 1. X to the 0 is still a 1, so 1 times 1. And now this is negative 2y all to the fifth, which is negative 32y to the fifth. Multiply those together, we get negative 32y to the fifth. In the final column, we just take all of those terms and combine them. So x to the fifth, negative 2x to the fourth, 40x cubed, and continue. And those will be our 6 terms. So we have x to the fifth plus, no, minus 10x to the fourth y plus 40 x cubed y squared minus 80 x squared y cubed minus 80 x y to the fourth minus 32 y to the fifth. And that's our final answer. Sorry, this is not allowing me to stop my video. Go ahead and stop your video. Mine is in the wheel.